Yardy a yard, yardy abroad. How no doing? Listen, every time we do one of these videos, we get a wave of text and phone calls asking us how does it work. Even though we have a how does it work page on our website. But listen, don't worry, let me break it down for you. Until now, you had to do the packing, go down to the wharf, stand in the sun, or pay DHL or FedEx's ridiculously high rates to get your packages shipped to Jamaica. No more. We have a better option for you. First, create your free account. Listen, it is free and easy to create. You really shouldn't be calling us before you create your account, you know. Guys, having your account makes it easier for us to answer your questions. So click the link in the description box here or down here to create your free account. Now that you've created your free account, you're going to be assigned your personalized US-based mailbox. Next, you're going to enter your delivery address. That is the address that we're going to deliver the packages to here in Jamaica. You don't have to leave your house or even touch the items. And if you have the items already, you can still ship them to your US mailbox address and we will take care of the rest. When the item clears customs here in Jamaica, you'll receive an email and text message from us to go on our website and make payment. You can pay with credit or debit card and many other payment options. After you've made payment, you will get your package delivered within 24 hours. And yes, you can track your items just like FedEx or UPS. It doesn't matter where in the world you are. Yardy, link up and sign up. You could be in the UK, China, the US, Russia, Canada, Cayman. You're going to shop at sites like Amazon.com and we will get those packages at our Florida sorting facilities. We'll process them and have them delivered to you here. You want to send mama a half a barrel of grocery? That's easy. You just go to our website and click on the link that says flat rate box and we'll deal with it for you. Also, suppose you want to send mama a flat screen TV. No problems. We would love to deliver that to her. Finally, we're not FedEx or UPS. We are going to go down the lane, over the gully, through the football field, uptown, downtown, garrison, round town. It doesn't matter. Send the package them come and we will not let you down. Blessed.